My name is Gustavo, but you can call me Gus.
My name is Patrick Bateman.
Antonio Montana.
My name is Thomas Shelby.
My name is Walter Hartwell White.
My name is Jordan Belfort.
What a day. We just dropped off, you guys don't know. And long story short, just losing power. I kept power, but I lost, you know, RPM. How's that? I don't know how to say it. My revs kept going down, car keeps stalling, but I have power. So, do I think it's something bad? No, but a tow truck's coming. It's not drivable. It won't drive. Luckily, my dad was in a Shelby. We get some sick Shelby time. I put in the wrong gear, but yeah. So we're on our way back to the Viper. See what's going on. I'm a little nervous. As you guys watched the other video, I thought we fixed it. And again, this has nothing to do with Tommy or Polly. It's just to do with dealing with a Viper. And that's all it comes down to. So stay tuned. We're good. That was good. But yeah, they flash in the head. Yeah, a bit more. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's under now.